All right, and as we go forward, TeamCity's been around for a long time and has long been the leader in continuous integration build servers and just build servers in general. And so um, when we think about what position TeamCity has, it's had a very strong position as a build server. It's probably the most complete build server product out there on the market. It really supports any technology that's out there. Even along the way, Microsoft did a big push with converting team services to Azure DevOps in 2018-19, and then with the acquisition of GitHub and pushing on GitHub Actions, and they're investing heavily in that. However, just from a feature set and capability perspective, they've got a long way to go to catch up with what TeamCity has already accomplished. And one of the big strengths that Microsoft was faster to market on the cloud front is hosted instances or hosted agents, where you don't have to manage the operating systems for any of your build server agents. And so Microsoft beat TeamCity, just candidly beat TeamCity to the cloud hosted configuration. However, TeamCity has the cloud configuration now. So when you compare other products, TeamCity just objectively is best of breed, is the most complete offering out there. And so if you haven't tried TeamCity before, there's a 14-day trial, and then for any development team, it's very affordable, $45 per month, which is less than any development team spends on anything. So very, very approachable pricing. And of course, if you want to just run it locally, install it on your computer, you can get TeamCity Professional and just use it with literally no cost. So that's the product. And it is huge to be able to just click on a form and automatically have a build server provision for you in the cloud, along with build agents. So let me just move on from there. All right. The Slash Data and Continuous Delivery Foundation have done just this year another State of Continuous Delivery report. I thought a few of the elements would be interesting to this crowd. And we shared some of this on the joint webinar that we also did with Octopus Deploy, which also partners very heavily with TeamCity, and those products work really well together, and you'll see a DevOps environment with that as a combination. But one of the questions is what do you use? What is the usage rate of self-hosted CI/CD tools versus cloud-hosted? And one of the findings is that people are moving to cloud-hosted CI/CD tools, and that has been a significant decrease. So the light blue is 2022, and the darker blue is 2023. And so the most popular self-hosted tools have been TeamCity, Jenkins, Hudson. But even in those, people are moving to the cloud-hosted version in general. So that's interesting because it's a big industry trend. Also, they found that people who used CI/CD tools in general are significantly less likely to be low performers than those who don't. They analyzed the lead time for code change on the left, which the people who are using CI/CD, those are the green bar charts. So lower lead time. And then the deployment frequency is higher, at least once a week to once per month, and many once per hour to once a week, and about 11% multiple deploys per day. And then of course, time to restore services when you have an issue in production, that's also dramatically improved for teams that are using CI/CD tools. And I may be preaching to the choir with this particular crowd, but I thought that was interesting.